Hello everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. Thank you for stopping by. It's Celeste here. A few minutes ago I ran up to my mailbox and we all get these. It's all these grocery store adverts and restaurant and sandwich shops that advertise in what we typically would call junk mail, right? And my go-to is always just to put it in the recycling bin. But I think by doing that, I'm missing an opportunity, because that caught my eye where it said spend life happy. And I thought, even if I don't fussy cut it immediately, even if I just cut it out. Oh, and I got two. I don't know why. Maybe I just haven't been to the mailbox that often this week, or maybe it was a mistake, but I've got two, which is great. I'm going to just find things in here that I can just roughly cut out. I'll fussy cut them later, but just keep, because it's collage fodder. It's junk journal fodder, right? Starting with Spend Life Happy. And then when I open it up, I didn't really find... Oh, I did. Your favorites. I want to keep that. Can I? Yes. So I'm going to cut that out. I didn't really find anything, did I? No, I did. I wanted to cut out the word sweet and the word spicy. And while I'm not going to use the word spicy in my junk journal, I like the idea of having just the letters, right? Just those letters, having them, because maybe I can spell something else. And then I thought I'm going to cut out savory again, just so I can keep the letters, because again, I can maybe spell something else, like maybe... I don't know, something else. So I'll keep that. I'll cut those words out. Then in this grocery, I did have something here. Just find it again. I could have sworn I had. Oh, this little shape. I want to keep that little shape because that's a nice oval shape, and I'll maybe put a little sticker over the special and over the market, and maybe it's just the sticker then just becomes the word special, and then something else underneath here. I'm sure I'll find something that I can cover it with. And then here I want to cut these little green limes out, because if I cut them carefully, once I've cut them out, I can make little leaf shapes. Same with the watermelon and same with the kiwi. So I'm going to cut those out. Here, and now I'm really happy that I have two of these junk journal flyer things, because for me, I'm sorry that this one is cut off, but if I cut this out nicely, to me it looks like a rose petal. So that's going to be a complete rose petal. Maybe that one where it's kind of got the white, that white there. Maybe just tuck that piece underneath another rose petal. So I'm glad I've got two of those. That's pretty cool. And in fact I have four, because I have another flyer. I don't think I saw anything else here that caught my eye. I don't think so. Let's see. Oh, the flower bouquets. I'm also going to try and cut out and then spend some time on my own, just really fussy cutting around there, because I think they could be nice as well. Just as something in a corner of a page, something maybe on a tag. I think that could be quite nice. So these three I want to take and excuse me. And then I also wanted to cut these out because I thought they might be nice. I don't know so much about these, but I'm going to keep them and just see. Maybe I can use them somewhere. And don't laugh at me. But this grilled chicken is going to make a really nice flower. Trust me. I can already see you guys going, what? Has she lost her mind? Yeah, that is possible. Nothing here that I could see right off the top of my head. However, these guys, awesome. I'm so happy about these because I know they've got a bunch of writing on them. That's fine. I really just like this border. And so I'm going to cut out these guys. I'll just cut around like that, and later on I'm going to find something just to stick over the writing and see if I can and let some of the orange stick out. That could be a really nice little label, so that I'm going to keep as well. So okay, let me start just cutting them out, guys. So I suppose the purpose of today's video is obviously collage fodder. I guess I can also call this collage fodder foraging in your junk mail. Ah man, I should have kept that. Okay, I'll have to keep, I've now cut into it, so I'll keep maybe the next one. But look at your junk mail maybe just a little differently, because look at what you can get. It's free. You're not paying for it. You're just going to modify it, and it's part of that collage fodder junk journal sort of idea that we can recycle and repurpose. So I'm going to get a bigger scissors out. That little one is good for the fussy cutting later, but I think it'll take me a bit too long to do this. So I'm going to just cut out my rose petals. These are going to be my rose petals. And you know, I think what I'm going to do is maybe keep some of these numbers. There's tons of numbers. So as I'm cutting, I'm just finding more and more things. So I'm going to come back and cut out all these big numbers, because I really think I can use them as well. I'm getting all excited because these guys, yeah, I wanted them. Get them cut out, and it's just a rough cut for now. And then I will go off and do a fussy cut on all of them. So I'm just encouraging you guys. I saw a cookie earlier and I've lost my cookie because I thought the cookie could be a button, but I don't know where the cookie went. Maybe I'll find it later when I'm looking through it again. There's that word favorites again. I kind of like that word. Oh, I didn't see those berries. Those berries are nice. So just because you don't have a purpose for something right away doesn't mean that you can't use it down the line. And so that is kind of my thinking right now, is just to keep these words and numbers. And oh yes, and I wanted the roast chicken flour. Yes, the roast chicken. I'll cut this nice big 3 out as well. As I'm cutting, do you guys see anything that you think you might have used? Am I missing something? Because I get so many of these flyers. Okay, I'm going to come back. I'll maybe take these 2 now. I want the 3, and I want the 2. I'll keep that for collaging as well. I'll come back and I'll get the 1 and 6. I'll just put this one side. Let's see, what did I have on here? Did I have anything? Wish I could find that cookie I saw just now, because there was the special buy. I wanted that, I remember. Keep that. Not anything that's catching my eye here, guys. But maybe if I come back. Okay, so I did want the limes and the watermelons for leaves. Oh, and I wanted the kiwi as well. I hope I'm staying in frame because I'm just kind of all over the place. cutting. Well, I have a new phone and I haven't quite figured out, I suppose, how it works. And after 10 minutes of filming, it cut out and it told me I reached my limit. So that must be a setting on the phone that I have not tweaked yet, because my videos definitely are not going to be only 10 minutes. Okay, so I think maybe I'm good with this one, at least for now. Here is the sweet, spicy, savory little words that I wanted to keep. Some for words, some for just the letters. I'll get this cut out and put that down to the side. And I wanted the your favorites here, so I'll get that cut out. And I'm not going to cut the second one out. I want to show you just from one what I was able to, I suppose, rescue in a way, repurpose, recycle, upcycle. Just so many different. Oh, here's something. Look at this perfect label shape. That's nice too. I'm going to keep that. And then over the next few videos, I'm probably going to be pulling out some of these goodies that I've cut up, and maybe one or two more that I will go and find. That's not the cookie I saw before. Still lost my cookie, guys. Go and find the cookie. All right, so let me put this aside and just show you what I was able to get out of just that one junk mailer, sorry. Let's see, so let's come in a little closer. Whoa, not so much, little bit less. Okay, there we go. What was this? Was this anything? No, I think that wasn't one, but this is. So here I really believe that if I cut it out really carefully, I'm going to have rose petals, and I have that second mailer that I'll be able to go and get more out of. Definitely looks like a rose petal to me. Okay, so that's going to be that. And then I have a second one that I can cut out. I have these two labels that I'm going to be able to cut out, paste something in the middle of, make that into a label. All of these I'm going to go back and get more. I think that was a 9. So I'm going to go back and cut out all the big numbers, because they definitely lovely collage fodder. Maybe, you know, if you're doing a birthday or an anniversary or a special date, these will come in nicely to put the date down in numbers. That could be nice. Let's see, what was this? This was the blue shape that I'm going to turn into a label. Here is the word sweet, which I love, and then just these individual letters that I'm going to be using. Again, individual letters that I can use, and then even if I have to mix and match the letters, maybe I'll have, I'm trying to think of a word off the bat. I'm obviously not good at word games. Let me just think about this. Oh, never mind. It can be maybe you guys found other words other than savory and spicy in here. Spice, space. Oh, never mind. Okay, so here is a lovely leaf shape. So I'm just gonna maybe follow the shape of the bowl and cut along the side of the shape of the bowl. And leaf. I have a leaf which can go with my rose petal, perhaps. This is going to be another leaf, great little special there. I don't want to do it now, but I'm going to get my round punch out, the little one, and punch out a bunch of little circles from here that can become a flower. I think I'll do the same with these. They can become petals. Fresh cut favorites, I think I'm just going to be using the word favorite, but maybe keep the letters here to make up my own word, if I can think of one. Okay, guys, and then, all right, these ones are going to take a little bit of time to fussy cut nicely because they're a little detailed, but I have 1, 2, and 3. So tons and tons, guys, and I'm still not finished. I am pretty sure that if I really sit and take my time and go through what's left of all that, then I'm going to be able to find a bunch more things. You know, even you could even go as detailed as cutting out these little barcodes and then lining them up and making a little sort of page edge page edger. So imagine having a bunch of those as a page edger, or maybe to put around a picture frame, make it into a frame, sorry. That could be great. So carefully, like, really dissect each page and see what you can find. I hope today's video was helpful to you. I hope it's something that you think you can also do, and don't throw away any of your junk mail. Pick it apart, see what you can find. I'm going to go and do the same. I'm sure I can find more. I know I've got to go and get more of these numbers. Alright, you guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell. You'll be notified every time I put up a video. It's usually Wednesday, Thursday, around about there, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.